Good afternoon, guys. Today in this video we are going to learn about the thiamine vitamin, that is vitamin B1. It is named B1 because it is discovered first. It is also called the anti-beriberi or antineuritic vitamin. Active form of thiamine is thymine pyrophosphate, TPP. Chemistry, it contains pyrimidine thiazole ring with methylene bond, thiamine pyrophosphate. Biochemical function, energy generation and transmission of nerve impulse. It is required for the cleavage of carbon-carbon bond, decarboxylation of alpha-keto acids, trans-ketolase reaction in hexose monophosphate shunt. Pyruvate, which gets converted to acetyl CoA in glycolysis, requires thymine pyrophosphate as a catalyst. Alpha ketoglutarate requires alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase to get converted into succinyl coenzyme A. Branching chain amino acids, which are leucine, isoleucine, valine, also requires alpha ketoglutarate. Trans-ketolase reaction HMP shunt requires TPP. Sources of thiamine is unpolished rice. Polishing removes 80% of thiamine. Whole wheat, yeast, and non-vegetarian sources are liver, kidney, etc. Recommended daily allowance is 0.5 mg per 1000 calorie intake, 1 to 1.5 mg per day. Deficiency causes beriberi. First cause is inadequate dietary intake. Polished rice. Eating polished rice causes the deficiency of vitamin B1. Thiaminase, which is in tea and coffee, breaks down the thiamine. Second is a chronic alcoholic. Chronic alcoholic persons have low absorption of TPP. Thiamine does not get converted to TPP. Third is hyperemesis gravidaris, which is in infants. Fourth is diuretic therapy. Now there are some types of beriberi. First is a dry beriberi, in which we observe weakness in peripheral neuropathy. Wet beriberi, which includes cardiovascular diseases like cardiomyopathies and dilatation of heart. Accumulation of pericardial fluid in pericardial space and edema. Infantile, acute fulminant CVS, which is also called Soshin. Polyneuritis can be there, and another one of the most important type of beriberi is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. The syndromes of Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome can be remembered by the mnemonic GOA MP. G stands for global confusion, O for ophthalmoplegia, A for ataxia, M for memory loss, P for psychosis. Decreased absorption of thymine pyrophosphate is observed and decreased ATP generation. Treatment: 100 mg per day for 7 days is recommended to the patient, and then 10 mg per day until the patient recovers. Diagnosis: decrease in RBC trans-ketolase activity in beriberi. And second, thiamine and TPP level can be measured by HPLC. Here is a case-based question. 40 years old man complains of muscle weakness, rise from the squatting position, numbness in legs. On examination, deep tendon reflexes diminished. He is chronic alcoholic and takes unpolished rice as a staple diet. Lab shows decrease in RBC trans-ketolase activity. Probable diagnosis. So these are all the symptoms of the dry beriberi, active form of the deficient substance. This is the deficiency of vitamin B1. So the deficient substance is thiamine, and active form of thiamine is TPP, which is thymine pyrophosphate. So that's it. This is for today. This is the vitamin B1. One of the most important case-based questions are asked from these vitamins. Thank you.